Hello, travelers of the world. We are Travel Wonder Facts, and we will bring informative videos about beautiful places in the world, travel tips and hacks and travel itineraries to you. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon too so that our next video notification will directly come to you. Today we will experience top 10 places to travel in Italy. Italy is a land of timeless beauty and culture. Italy is a country rich in history, art, cuisine, and natural wonders. Whether you are exploring ancient ruins, indulging in world-class wine and pasta, or enjoying its diverse landscapes, Italy offers something for every traveler. Here are the top 10 must-visit places in Italy. First destination is Rome, the Eternal City. Rome is a captivating blend of ancient history, Renaissance art, and modern Italian culture. As the heart of the Roman Empire and the Catholic Church, it boasts an unparalleled cultural and historical significance. Here are the top attractions of Rome. The Colosseum and Roman Forum. The iconic amphitheater where gladiators once fought, which is presently among the 7 wonders of the world. The Forum, a sprawling archaeological site, was the center of ancient Roman life. St. Peter's Basilica is the grandest church in Christendom. Sistine Chapel, Vatican Museums, a treasure trove of art and artifacts. Rome offers a timeless journey through history and culture, making it a must-visit for travelers of all kinds. Trevi Fountain. Toss a coin over your left shoulder to ensure a return to Rome in Trevi Fountain. Pantheon is a marvel of ancient engineering with its massive dome. Piazza Navona is a lively square with fountains, street performers, and cafes. Castel Sant'Angelo, originally a mausoleum for Emperor Hadrian, it later served as a papal fortress. Trastevere is a charming neighborhood known for its cobblestone streets, lively piazzas, and authentic trattorias. Campo dei Fiori is a vibrant market during the day and a nightlife hotspot in the evening. Rome offers a timeless journey through history and culture, making it a must-visit for travelers of all kinds. Destination number 2 is Venice. Venice is one of the most magical and romantic destinations in the world. Known as the floating city, it is built on a network of canals and islands connected by bridges. Its rich history, stunning architecture, and serene waterways make Venice a must-visit destination. Top attractions in Venice are St. Mark's Basilica, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture located in St. Mark's Square. Features opulent mosaics and the famous golden altarpiece. Doge's Palace, a Gothic-style palace that was once the seat of Venetian power. Grand Canal is the main waterway of Venice, lined with historic palaces. Enjoy a vaporetto, water bus, ride or a romantic gondola cruise. Rialto Bridge is one of Venice's most iconic landmarks, offering stunning views of the Grand Canal. Nearby, explore the Rialto market for fresh produce and seafood. Murano and Burano Islands are famous islands in Venice. Murano is famous for its glassmaking traditions and workshops, and Burano is known for colorful houses and delicate lace making. Peggy Guggenheim Collection is a modern art museum showcasing works by Picasso, Dali, Paul Locke, and other 20th century artists. Some of the unique experiences in Venice are gondola ride. Carnival of Venice. Attend the world-famous festival and marvel at the elaborate masks and costumes. Hidden canals away from the crowds to discover quieter, picturesque waterways. Number 3 is Florence. Florence, the capital of Italy's Tuscany region, is a cultural and artistic gem. Known as the birthplace of the Renaissance, it boasts world-class art, stunning architecture, and a vibrant culinary scene. Florence offers a unique blend of history, culture, and modern Italian charm. Top attractions in Florence are Florence Cathedral, Duomo, a masterpiece with its iconic red dome designed by Filippo Brunelleschi. Uffizi Gallery is one of the most famous art museums in the world. Home to masterpieces by Botticelli, The Birth of Venus, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci. A great spot for sunset views over the Arno River. Accademia Gallery houses Michelangelo's iconic sculpture, David. Palazzo Vecchio offers insights into Florence's medieval history. San Lorenzo Market is a bustling market where you can find leather goods, souvenirs, and Tuscan delicacies. Unique experiences in Florence are artisan workshops. Visit local workshops to see traditional crafts like leatherworking and goldsmithing. Cooking classes to learn to make Tuscan dishes such as pasta, ribollita, and bistecca alla fiorentina. Wine tasting. Explore nearby Chianti vineyards for world-class wines. The Tuscan countryside is a postcard-perfect destination, celebrated for its rolling hills, vineyards, olive groves, and charming medieval towns. This idyllic region invites travelers to slow down, savor fine wine and food, and immerse themselves in breathtaking landscapes. Val d'Oscia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its picturesque landscapes. Must-visit towns: Pinza, famous for pecorino cheese; Montepulciano, renowned for its Vino Nobile wine; and Montalcino, home of Brunello wine. Chianti Wine Region, a wine lover's paradise, famous for its Chianti Classico wines. Explore charming towns like Greve in Chianti, Radh, and Castellina. Wine tasting. Visit local wineries for tours and tastings of world-class wines like Chianti, Brunello di Montalcino, and Vernaccia di San Gimignano. Farm-to-table dining. Enjoy meals made from locally sourced ingredients, including truffles, pecorino cheese, and fresh pasta. Cycling tours. Explore the countryside on two wheels for an immersive experience. Pisa, located in the Tuscany region of Italy, is globally famous for its Leaning Tower. However, this historic city offers much more, with stunning medieval architecture, vibrant local culture, and a lively student atmosphere thanks to its prestigious university. Pisa is a compact and walkable destination, perfect for a day trip or a leisurely visit. Top attractions in Pisa are Pisa's iconic bell tower, famous for its unintended tilt. Climb the 294 steps to the top for panoramic views of the city and surrounding countryside. Piazza dei Miracoli, a UNESCO World Heritage Site housing Pisa's most famous landmarks. Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, a Romanesque masterpiece with intricate carvings and a stunning interior. Planning the perfect day trip to Pisa from Florence is a delightful adventure that combines convenience and rich cultural experiences. The Amalfi Coast is one of Italy's most breathtaking destinations, renowned for its dramatic cliffs, colorful villages, azure waters, and lush Mediterranean landscapes. Located in the Campania region, this UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, rich history, and Italian charm. Top destinations on the Amalfi Coast are Positano, a glamorous cliffside village with pastel-colored houses cascading down to the sea. Stroll along the narrow streets, shop for handmade sandals, and relax at Spiaggia Grande Beach. Amalfi, the namesake town of the coast with a storied maritime history. Visit the stunning Amalfi Cathedral and explore the bustling Piazza del Duomo. Other places to see are Ravello, Praiano, Furor, Minori and Maiori, and Sorrento. Unique experiences on the Amalfi Coast are boat tours. Explore hidden coves, sea caves, and nearby islands like Capri. The Path of the Gods, a scenic hike offering unparalleled views of the coast. Limoncello tasting, the iconic liquor made from Amalfi lemons. Cooking classes. Learn to make regional dishes like fresh seafood pasta and sfogliatella. Cinque Terre, meaning five lands, is a stunning stretch of coastline along the Ligurian Sea in northern Italy. This UNESCO World Heritage Site comprises 5 colorful fishing villages perched on cliffs, surrounded by terraced vineyards and the sparkling blue sea. Known for its breathtaking views and relaxed vibe, Cinque Terre is a heaven for hikers, food lovers, and those seeking a quintessential Italian escape. Monterosso al Mare, the largest and most accessible of the 5 villages. Sandy beaches, the medieval Tor Aurora Tower, and the 14th century church of San Giovanni Battista. Ideal for sunbathers and families. Vernezza is often considered the most picturesque village. The pastel-colored harbor, this place is romantic and charming. Corniglia, the only village not directly on the water, located atop a steep hill. Manrola, famous for its iconic views and vibrant houses cascading down the cliffs. Riomaggiore, the southernmost village and gateway to Cinque Terre. Top experiences in Cinque Terre are hiking trails. Explore the famous Blue Trail, Sentiero Azzurro, connecting the villages, or venture onto higher trails for stunning vistas. Boat tours. Enjoy a unique perspective of the villages from the sea, especially during sunset. Relax at Monterosso's sandy beaches or dive into the crystal-clear waters. Milan, the capital of Italy's Lombardy region, is a global hub for fashion, design, and commerce. Known for its rich history, world-class art, and vibrant modernity, Milan blends the charm of old-world Italy with cutting-edge innovation. Whether you are an art enthusiast, a foodie, or a fashion lover, Milan has something to offer. Top attractions in Milan are Milan Cathedral, Duomo di Milano, a stunning Gothic masterpiece and one of the largest cathedrals in the world. Climb to the rooftop for panoramic views of the city and admire the intricate spires and statues. Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, a grand 19th century shopping arcade with a glass roof and elegant boutiques. Dine at a historic cafe and try spinning on the bull mosaic for good luck. Santa Maria delle Grazie and the Last Supper, a UNESCO World Heritage Site housing Leonardo da Vinci's iconic mural, The Last Supper. Book tickets well in advance to secure your visit. Sforza Castle, a Renaissance fortress housing multiple museums and art collections. Explore Milan's futuristic side with skyscrapers like the Unicredit Tower and the Bosco Verticale. A vibrant area with parks, shopping, and the iconic Allianz Tower. Don't forget to visit AC Milan Football Club and Stadium if you are a football fan. Lake Como, Lago di Como, located in northern Italy's Lombardy region, is a dazzling destination renowned for its crystal-clear waters, dramatic alpine backdrop, and luxurious villas. A favorite among aristocrats and celebrities for centuries, Lake Como offers a serene blend of natural beauty, cultural charm, and elegant sophistication. Bellagio. Known as the Pearl of Lake Como, this picturesque town sits at the junction of the lake's 3 branches. Varenna, a tranquil village with a romantic atmosphere and stunning views. Como Town, the largest town on the lake, with a rich history and lively atmosphere. Treviso and Villa Carlotta, a charming town home to Villa Carlotta, an opulent 18th century villa with exquisite gardens. Unique experiences at Lake Como are boat tours. Rent a private boat or join a guided tour to explore the lake and admire its iconic villas and picturesque towns from the water. Water activities. Go kayaking, paddle boarding, or windsurfing for an active day on the lake. Discover trails with breathtaking views, such as the Greenway del Lago di Como or the hike to Monte Grona. The Dolomites, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are a majestic mountain range in northeastern Italy, famed for their dramatic peaks, pristine alpine landscapes, and charming villages. This region offers a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, whether you love hiking, skiing, climbing, or simply soaking in the breathtaking scenery. Trails range from easy walks to challenging treks like the Alta Via routes. Popular hikes: Sassolingo Circuit, Adolf Munkel Trail, and Puesodal Altopiano. Part of the Dolomite Super Ski Area, offering 1,200 kilometers of ski slopes. Top ski resorts: Cortina d'Ampezzo, Val Gardena, and Araba. The Dolomites are a legendary climbing destination with routes for all skill levels. Ride the challenging mountain passes or explore trails through meadows and forests. The Dolomites are a dream for photographers. These are the top 10 places to visit in Italy. We are Travel Wonder Facts, and we bring informative videos related to travel and various wonders of this beautiful world. Explore the world with us. Hope you liked the video. If you still have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon too, so that our next video can reach directly to you. Thanks for watching.